Hey friends, my name is Catherine, and today I'm going to be trying to bleach through a stencil onto a black shirt. I had to go buy some bleach for this project, and I've got it in this bottle that I have very clearly labeled bleach because I do not want it to be used for anything else. And we are going to try to just kind of line up this stencil here. It's a nice honeycomb pattern, sort of even-ish maybe, and then just take and spray and see what we end up with. Ooh, that's going to end up kind of splattery. That's okay. And then see how it goes. Okay, I don't think I want to leave the stencil on for too long because I have this idea in my head that it's going to seep underneath. So I'll pull this off. Aha! We are definitely getting some honeycomb patterns starting to show up here. That's nice. It definitely seeped through some on the areas that received more bleach than others, and it also is getting some overspray up here at the top, but that's all right. I think we'll work with it. Yeah, that's pretty good, I think, for the front side. So let's flip it over and see what we can end up with on the back. Ooh, covered in grass. Because I'm working outside. Because it's really beautiful and bright and sunny and warm out. And I'll end up washing this anyway, so it doesn't matter if it's covered in grass, so long as it doesn't prevent it from getting sprayed with bleach, which I don't think it should. All right, and then let's kind of go from the top. I've positioned it sort of toward the top and get it downward, and then flip it to the other shoulder and go again from the top, getting the top really well and then working it kind of downward. Okay, and then let's bring it down to maybe the bottom, the middle of the back. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. It's getting pretty saturated in bleach now, so I probably should have set it to more of a mist rather than like a stream spray, but oh well. Maybe next time. Maybe we'll try it again and this will become a series and we will do it differently another time. Oof, that's pretty darn drippy. That's why we're doing it outside. Bleach is not a nice thing. You don't want it all over you. Okay, but that's how the back ended up, and it's starting to leach the colors out. So let's take and flip it back over again and see how the front's coming along. Pretty good, I think. Okay, and then my idea is to take and open up my bleach bottle. I might have to set you guys down for just a moment so that I can do that. There we go. Open up my bleach bottle and set the sprayer bit aside. There we are. All open. And then I've got this stencil brush. And I think I'm just going to try and just write with it and see what we end up with. This is probably not going to work. Well, I mean, it'll bleach out, but it probably won't turn out anything that you can actually understand. Oh, maybe. Who knows? There we go. And then move that aside and see if I can get that in frame and write really big. Have you figured out what I'm writing yet? Probably.
Is that enough power?
It'll look very brushy, which is fine for this, for a first attempt. We might try making a stencil next time and see if we end up with something good. But there we go. And we'll give it a couple of hours sitting in the sun to dry out and bleach out, and then I'll stabilize it by soaking it in water, and then I will wash it and use the final version, the finished copy, if you will, for the thumbnail. I don't know if you can tell, I'll probably have to go over this part again. But it's going to end up saying, well, I'll be, spelled like honeybee. Anyway, that's what I did today. I would love to see what you guys are doing today. If you have any thoughts or ideas of things that you want to see me try, go ahead and comment them in the comments below. And I would love to hear from you, so I will see you guys all later. Bye!